Hey there, data enthusiasts. Are you tired of wrestling with messy CSV files that just won't cooperate? Well, today's your lucky day. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to split CSV data into columns like a pro, saving you tons of time and headaches. Whether you're a data newbie or a seasoned pro, this trick will revolutionize the way you handle your data. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. Let's get started. First, click on the field where you want to enter your data. Now, type equals TEXTSPLIT. Next, enter the cell reference of your data. For example, if your data is in cell A2, type A2 winky face. So the full formula looks like this. Equals TEXTSPLIT A2, semicolon. Hit enter, and watch your data split into neat columns instantly. It's that easy. But wait, to apply this to all rows, just drag the fill handle from the bottom corner of the cell with the formula. And voila! All your data is now neatly organized into columns. And that's it. Splitting CSV data into columns has never been easier. If you found this tip helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more data hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.